Today, we're diving deep into a pair of in-ear monitors that are turning heads in the audiophile community, the Kiwi Ears Astral. This is not your average pair of earphones. The Astral combines the raw power of a custom 10mm bioceramic dynamic driver with the finesse and precision of 6 balanced armature drivers, making it a hybrid marvel designed for true professionals, musicians, sound engineers, producers, and anyone who truly listens. This review will cover everything from build quality, comfort, and packaging to its intricate sound signature, usage experience in music, mixing, and even gaming. So sit back and let's explore why the Kiwi Ears Astral might just be one of the most impressive professional-grade in-ear monitors in its class. Let's begin with the packaging. Kiwi Ears has gone with a clean and elegant presentation. The front of the box shows a visual of the in-ear monitors with the model name Astral printed clearly. And on the side, there's a mention of its hybrid configuration, 1 dynamic driver and 6 balanced armature drivers. Inside the box, you'll find a compact, hard-shell carrying case that's ideal for travel and protection. Inside the case, you receive the in-ear monitors, a 1.2-meter high-quality braided detachable cable, 3 pairs of silicone ear tips in different sizes for a customized fit, a cleaning tool, and a Kiwi Ears branded user information card. The unboxing experience immediately tells you this product is built for enthusiasts and professionals, not casual users. When it comes to design, the Astral really shines. The earpieces are constructed from medical-grade resin and feature a custom-style ergonomic shape that fits naturally in the ears. The faceplate has a glittery cosmic appearance, a nice aesthetic nod to the name Astral. The Kiwi Ears logo is placed subtly and tastefully. The overall look is premium but understated. The body is lightweight yet sturdy, and you can feel the precision in its build. It uses recessed 2-pin 0.78mm connectors for added durability and secure cable connection. Every element of its construction shows that careful thought went into the design. Now let's talk about the technology inside. At its core, the Astral features a 10mm bioceramic diaphragm dynamic driver. This is designed specifically for deep, powerful sub-bass that is clean and well controlled. The driver operates effectively up to 300 Hz, where it transitions smoothly into the mid-range. Kiwi Ears has designed this crossover point carefully, and it shows. There's no bumpiness or disconnection in the audio. The remaining frequency range is handled by 6 balanced armature drivers, 2 dual mid-range drivers, and 1 dual tweeter setup. The mid-range drivers are tuned around 2.8 kHz, matching the natural resonance of the human ear. Vocals and instruments in this range sound incredibly realistic and balanced. The tweeters deliver smooth, extended treble and avoid harshness, giving the overall sound a clean, accurate feel that's easy to listen to for hours. The sound signature of the Astral is what sets it apart. The bass has a controlled 9 decibel sub-bass shelf that provides a strong, impactful low end without bleeding into the mid-range. This means that while you feel the thump in genres like hip-hop and electronic, the vocals and instruments stay untouched and clear. The mid-range itself is flat and transparent, allowing details to come through effortlessly. Instruments like guitars, violins, and pianos sound natural and uncolored. Both male and female vocals are crisp, forward, and placed right where they should be in the mix. The treble is equally well done. It offers sparkle and air without becoming sharp or fatiguing. There's a natural roll-off around 15 kHz, which keeps the treble detailed but smooth. It adds a nice sense of space and separation, making the soundstage feel open and immersive. Speaking of which, the soundstage and imaging on the Astral are excellent for an in-ear monitor. You can easily pinpoint instruments across left, right, and even in depth, creating a 3-dimensional sound that brings your favorite tracks to life. Real-world usage is where the Kiwi Ears Astral proves its versatility. In music listening, it handles almost every genre with confidence, whether it's classical, jazz, indie, rock, or electronic. The tuning is balanced enough for audiophile enjoyment, yet fun enough for everyday music lovers. I also tested the Astral in digital audio workstations like Ableton and Florida Studio for mixing and editing. The clean mid-range and accurate response made it easy to hear subtle changes in EQ, panning, and reverb. If you're a content creator or musician working with vocals or acoustic instruments, this level of detail will be extremely valuable. In gaming, the precise imaging helps you locate footsteps, enemy movement, and ambient sounds with clarity, making the Astral a solid option even for competitive play. In terms of comfort, the Astral performs really well. The shell's ergonomic design fits naturally in the ears, and the lightweight build ensures that you can wear it for extended sessions without fatigue. I wore it continuously for over 4 hours while working and never once felt any pressure or discomfort. The included silicone tips seal well and offer decent passive noise isolation, blocking out ambient noise without needing active cancellation. The cable is soft, doesn't tangle easily, and has minimal microphonics, making it ideal for both desktop and mobile use. Technically, the specifications are solid and reflect real-world performance. The Astral has a sensitivity of 105 decibels, which means it can be powered easily even by smartphones or dongle DACs. Its impedance is 23 ohms, low enough for most portable gear to handle without requiring amplification. The total harmonic distortion is under 1%, ensuring a clean and accurate signal. The frequency response spans from 10 Hz to 22 kHz, giving you full range coverage from deep bass to sparkling highs. So who should buy the Kiwi Ears Astral? If you're a casual listener who wants boosted bass and colored sound, then the Astral might feel too neutral for your taste. But if you're an audiophile, a musician, a studio engineer, or someone who appreciates accurate, honest sound, this in-ear monitor is built for you. It doesn't try to impress with gimmicks or exaggerated tuning. Instead, it focuses on delivering music the way it was meant to be heard, detailed, balanced, and immersive. In conclusion, the Kiwi Ears Astral is a powerful and refined tool that offers serious performance at a competitive price. Whether you're enjoying your favorite albums, producing your next song, or just looking for a reliable daily driver with professional sound quality, the Astral delivers on all fronts. It combines build quality, comfort, precision tuning, and driver technology into a package that punches far above its price point. If you've tried the Astral or have any questions about it, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you enjoy in-depth reviews like this one, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you never miss future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.